All right, guys. I purchased a new dash cam for my car. Well, my first dash camera for my car. I've been doing research for a while now, and it seems like for the price, the brand, the video quality, I like to do a lot of research before I just jump into something. Anyways, I bought this on Amazon. Right now they're on sale for $65. Normally they're $90. And especially this time of year, they're going to keep going on sale. Price will go up, come back down on sale. Especially like Black Friday's coming up here soon. So that's why I'm going to make a video of this. So here's the one that I purchased. The model is the A119 version 3. It calls it Quad HD, but it's actually 4K. Here's the video specs right here. But everything I've been reading, just hands down, I can even link you to other videos of people doing all kinds of tests and comparing 20 different ones against each other. But hands down for the price used to be like $130, and now the price is very affordable on this. So here's an unboxing of it. It's actually a little bit smaller than I was expecting. I was expecting it to be, I don't know, maybe 4x3. But this is even better. It'll even be hidden a little more. This model does have the GPS, so it'll have the speed of your vehicle, location of your vehicle. This is what mounts to the actual glass of the car, and you can adjust this camera at whatever angle it needs to be. So say this is your windshield, it's going to attach to your windshield, then you move your camera up and down. So far this is impressive that it's smaller than I expected. I was expecting something big and bulky that would be very visible to others. Let's see what else is in the box here. Some paperwork. Read before installation. I guess this is like a screen protector. The instruction manual. And it does come with a 4 millimeter or 4 meter cable, with it. Let's see here. So you can hide the cable throughout your car. Oh, it even has like a little pry tool to help hide the wire. This must be the 4 meter power cord. So just as a regular, you can like plug in a cell phone charger and this at the same time. 4 meters should be pretty long. Good deal. Some other odds and ends in here. Let's see. Oh, like quick release brackets in case you want to move it from one car to another. Oh, some like little clips to help hide the wire if you need to run the wire somewhere. Looks like an extra sticker to mount to the windshield, and just a shorter cable for it. But just wanted to give you an idea what it looks like on the unboxing here. I'll go out and mount it in my car here in just a few minutes. Show you once it's mounted. But yeah, the GPS is behind here, so you want this in the windshield facing the sky more or less. So it gets a good GPS signal. Looks like the memory card goes right here on the side. Looks like this is probably where your power cable is going to plug in at. Your power cord, I'm sorry. Then you just run that up. I'm going to hide it up in the headliner, run it down the pillar, so it's not visible. But like I said, for the price right now, $65 on Amazon, and I have Amazon Prime. It actually showed up in less than 1 day, which is, well, it showed up in 1 day, more or less. I ordered it and came the next day. But it was less than 24 hours is what I'm saying. But yeah, I'll go get this mounted in the car and we'll pick up from there. Alright, so I got the dash cam installed on my windshield. I ran just the regular power cable that came with it. I just tucked it up here underneath the headliner. I ran it across over the windshield, came over to the pillar, just tucked it right here, pulled back this little rubber molding, very simple, just tucked it underneath this molding here, brought it down the dash, and on the 2006 through 11 Honda Civic, this bottom piece, you just pull on it and this whole thing pops right off. You can see I just ran the wire around the steering column, the other side over here, and that's how it plugged into the cigarette lighter. That gives you how I ran the wire. And let's see if I can get this camera set up and you can see it when I power it on. But it gives me a clear here we go. But it gives me a clear view of vision of what's in front of me. Just adjust that so it barely shows the hood of my car. Here we go. So I use it today going to and from work. It is nice. It does show with the GPS piece here. It does show your miles per hour. Obviously it has the date, the timestamp. It's in 4K. I'm able to turn the HDR on so it gets even better video. You can go through the menu. Oops, please stop recording first. Yeah, there we go. Here's the menu. You can pick up from a bunch of different resolutions. Here, I'll go back and here's all the resolutions, frame rates. I mean, there is literally that many you can choose from. Bit rate, low, medium, high. Loop recording. You can have it turn off 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Video format, you can pick and choose your format you want it to record in. Exposure, more or less. HDR. Driving mode, parking mode. Inner parking mode timer. Parking recording duration. Parking G-sensor. Parking motion detection, time-lapse recording, motion detection, GPS, speed unit, that's from kilometers to miles per hour, your G-sensor, your date stamp, GPS info stamp, camera model stamp, record audio, screensaver, boot delay, LED light, how to set the date and time, time zone, language if you want it to beep, frequency, image. You can rotate it, or you can flip the image mirror, format your SD card, format warning, default settings, car number, custom text stamp if you want on there, in the firmware version. So it has a lot, and so far I'm completely happy with it. I put a 128 megabyte SD card here on the side of it. It's tucked way nicely out of the way for me. Obviously, when I adjust my rear view mirror, for the most part, from my angle, not from the angle of the camera, it covers up more or less most of the dash cam, so I don't have to actually see it, other than just this little bit of wire here. So far, I'm happy with it, but like I said, today's only day one. I'll do a follow-up video like a month from now and say if I'm still happy with it. Hopefully I'll have some footage to show you guys. Today a car cut me off real bad, and I think I got it to record that. I drive about 65 miles a day to and from work, so there's quite a bit of driving for me, and I see a lot of crazy drivers out there, so I'm sure I'll have some footage for you guys. Thanks for watching. So far, give this a thumbs up. I bought it off Amazon. Like I said, it was on sale for 65 bucks. I think it's regularly down to $90. But this time of year, a lot of this price is gonna go up and down, especially for Black Friday. It'll drop again. But I'll put a link in the description below. The price for me when I bought it, I had a $15 off coupon, so make sure to look for the coupon to click that. Save 15 bucks. That's how I got it down to 65 bucks. So, thanks for watching, guys. Hey guys, if you liked my video, you can check out other videos right here just like it. Please hit my subscribe button, and thanks for watching.